In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp to your Wix website. Integrating WhatsApp into your Wix site can significantly enhance your customer interaction by providing an easy and direct way for visitors to reach you. Let's dive in and get started. First off, head over to your Wix website editor. This is the place where you can customize your site and add all sorts of functionalities. Once you're in the editor, you'll want to look towards the left-hand side of your screen and find the Add Apps button. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you've clicked Add Apps, a new window will pop up. Here you'll find a variety of apps that can be integrated with your Wix site, but our focus today is on WhatsApp. So, in the search bar at the top of this window, simply type in WhatsApp. This is going to filter the available options to help you find what you need quickly. You should now see WhatsApp Chat as one of the options in the search results. Click on WhatsApp Chat to proceed to the next step. After you've clicked on it, the app page for WhatsApp Chat will open. Take a moment to acquaint yourself with the app and then click Open to start the integration process. On the following screen, you'll want to click on Create Chat. This is going to set up the initial framework for your WhatsApp interaction. Next, you will be prompted to pick a template. Templates are pre-designed layouts that can streamline the customization of your chat interface, ensuring it fits seamlessly with the rest of your website's design. Once you've chosen a template, click Select Template to proceed. Now, to ensure your chat widget matches your site style, click on the Customize option. Customizing allows you to change colors, text, and other visual elements to ensure brand consistency. And afterward, click on Appearance. This step gives you options to further fine-tune the look and feel of the chat window, from its positioning on the page to the style of the chat bubble. Scrolling down a bit, you'll find the Translation section. Clicking here gives you the ability to adjust the text that appears to suit your audience's language preferences. This is extremely useful for websites that cater to a multilingual audience. After you've set up the appearance and language, click on Next to continue. You will now set up the rules and triggers for when the WhatsApp chat should activate. This feature can enhance user engagement by tailoring chat prompts according to user behavior on your site. When you finish setting these parameters, click Next again. Finally, to make everything live, click on Publish and Preview. This will activate the WhatsApp chat on your live site and allow you to test the integration to ensure everything works just as you want it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully integrated WhatsApp into your Wix website, making it easier for your site visitors to get in touch with you directly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.